Hey y'all, and welcome. Selling your home can feel like a big old project, kind of like renovating a farmhouse, you know? There are so many moving parts and it can get overwhelming real quick. One of the most important steps, and honestly the foundation of it all, is setting the right price. You want to make sure you're attracting the right buyers without leaving money on the table. In Houston, our market is as vibrant and diverse as our city. What works in the Heights might not fly in Montrose, right? That's why we're breaking down this process, step by step, so you can feel confident and empowered throughout your home selling journey. We're going to tackle this together, just like a good demo day. So, grab a glass of sweet tea, and let's get started transforming your real estate dreams into reality. Are y'all ready? Let's dive in. Think of yourself as a homeowner turned detective. Your first mission is gathering intel on your neighborhood. What are similar homes in your area selling for? How long are they staying on the market? These clues will give you a starting point. Remember, every neighborhood has its own personality and charm. Just like a home's character, location plays a big role in determining its value. Now, let's play a little real estate matchmaker. Look for homes in your area that have recently sold. These are your comps. Pay attention to their size, features, and condition. Are they sporting a fresh coat of paint like yours? Do they have that dreamy updated kitchen you poured your heart into? Seeing how your home measures up helps you fine-tune your pricing strategy. Remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot. Just like you'd call in a plumber for a leaky faucet, an appraiser is your go-to expert for determining your home's value. They'll consider everything from square footage to those charming architectural details you love. An appraisal gives you an unbiased opinion, ensuring you're not underselling your precious property. Think of it as a reality check, giving you peace of mind. Now, let's talk about those finishing touches. A little sprucing up can go a long way in increasing your home's appeal. And its price tag. Think fresh paint, landscaping, maybe even updating those cabinet pulls. Remember those little details we obsess over on Fixer Upper? They matter here too. Even small improvements can make a big difference in how buyers perceive your home. Y'all, a good real estate agent is like a trusted friend who just happens to be a master negotiator. They'll guide you through the entire process, from setting the right price to marketing your home beautifully. They'll bring their expertise, market knowledge, and a whole lot of heart to the table. Having someone in your corner who understands the ins and outs of Houston real estate is invaluable. Pricing your home right is like finding the perfect piece to complete a room. It takes a little planning, a touch of research, and maybe a splash of expert advice. But when you get it right, it feels oh so good. Remember, you know your home better than anyone. Now that you're armed with these steps, you're well on your way to a successful sale. And if you loved these tips, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more real estate inspiration. Thank y'all so much for watching, and happy selling.